Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, welcome. Thank you for clicking on this video. My name is Brianna, and today I'm going to be filming my what's on my iPhone 11 video. I just recently posted my unboxing of my phone, so if you guys want to check that out, I'll have it like pop up on the screen here and you can go check that out before or after this video. But yeah, I just posted that and I wanted to film this video and do it once I figured out like my apps, organizing everything the way that I like to, and I've pretty much got it down. Times where like I download new apps is very like, I don't do that often unless it's like, you know, like a little game or something and I'm going to stay busy, or like a new photo editing app that I want to test out. So like I really usually just have like my specific apps that I have right now and I keep them, you know. I don't really like to like add new things, so I'm going to start screen recording and show you guys my apps and what I use them for. Also, I sound a little congested because I am congested a little bit. I woke up that way this morning and I was like, of course, great. But so I'm starting my screen record. So when you slide up, you have to, like, when you want to unlock your phone, you use your Face ID and you go like, you know, like that's how you set it up, and then you literally look at it even in the dark. Like it works in the dark, it's crazy. And you just look at it and you slide up, and this is my home page, or there's like another page here, but I don't like, it's just like the news and the home little thing. I don't really use that. And then this is like my main page, I guess you could say. I have my mail, which I just have a ton of mail. It's just like honestly like subscriptions from like clothing companies and all that stuff. It's just like a lot, and I need to like unsubscribe from some that I don't even use. And then you have my calendar, which I don't really use my calendar as much. I only use it for like little reminders if I'm like going somewhere and I want to like actually have like a reminder on that day. Like if I've had like a subscription for something and I want to cancel it, like I usually use it for that. But any like school related stuff, I use my planner. I have my photos app, of course, FaceTime, the weather, clock. Obviously I put all my alarms on there like I've showed you guys before. Oh, that's not the alarm, sorry, that's just the regular clock. The regular clock, maps, the camera, which I've already showed you guys the camera and it is so good. I already took like selfies yesterday and posted, so also if you don't follow me on Instagram, make sure you follow me on Instagram. But it's just so cool, like the angles and everything. So I already showed you guys in that unboxing video, but I'll show you. So you basically have like the wide view, and then this is regular. There's also portrait, so it like blurs everything out. Right now I have like a white background, so I mean it's not going to do the same effect. But let's say you're outside and there's a lot of things behind you, it really just focuses on your face and just makes it look such a good quality. And oh my gosh, I meant to say this in this video, so I'm going to show you guys. I don't know, I know that like on my old iPhone it didn't do that because I had the 7, but I think with like, I don't know if it started with like the 8 or the X, like when they started with like the portrait and I don't know, better quality camera, every time you would take a picture it would like flip it the other way, and I don't like, some people like it, some people like don't. Like let's say I'm taking it on this angle, it'll flip me to the other side. And I know on the XR, I think you can't flip it back on the actual like phone itself. They have apps where you can like flip it, I'm pretty sure. But I realized that on this, I mean, I don't know, maybe I didn't look correctly, but I'm pretty sure you couldn't flip it on like that phone. But I realized that when you take a picture here, so like let's say I take like a selfie, right? I'm gonna like put it on the screen. And when I click on it, it flipped me. It flipped me the other way. And so you just go to edit, and then you just go to edit, and then where is it? The crop tool, like where you can like crop your photo, and on the top left hand corner it flips it back to the like original thing. And that was so cool. I was like so happy about that. And then also like while I'm here, when you want to like go back to like the home screen, you could just quickly slide up. But if you wanted to like close out apps, you just hold and then it pops up and you would just like slide it away. So then I have Keynote, the Stocks app, the Notes, which usually I put like, you know, video ideas and stuff like that, or like any important stuff. Like you could also, there's cool stuff, they've been had this, like I used it on my other phone, where you can like lock a note, so it's pretty cool. Settings, the App Store, obviously to get any games, apps that you need, compass, reminders, iTunes Store. Like I don't really use much of this stuff. other than like the notes, the maps if I ever need it, my photos, obviously FaceTime. Then I have those are stuff that just come with the phone. It's not really like I downloaded it. And then I use Netflix, and I put this little folder together of just like the random other stuff that I don't use, and I kind of color coordinated it because they were all orange. So I just have that's just a random folder. Voice memos. And then in here, this is like where I actually use, it's super like simple, but it's because I put stuff in folders. I don't just like to have all the apps because I feel like it would make me really like mad because it would just look so like unorganized. So over here I just have essentials, random essentials that I have. The Find My Friends thing is like different. I literally was trying to look for it and I was like, where is it? And it was that. Just like Venmo, you know, the bank calculator, like little essential stuff. And then I just have like this slides, Google Slides for school because I didn't really know where to put that. And then this is like the ESPN for like when I watch football and stuff, because I watch football on Sundays and stuff with my family. And then I have social media here. So I just have, of course, Instagram. Follow me on Instagram. I just posted a new picture, so definitely go and follow me. And then I have Snapchat, of course, and then Gmail, where I have like my school stuff, like my school email or my other like personal Gmail. And then I have Twitter, WhatsApp, and Pinterest. I love going on Pinterest for like inspiration with like outfits, or like, you know, they have like cool like for hair inspo, literally any inspo that you need. Get yourself a Pinterest because you could search up anything like Halloween outfit ideas, nail inspo, like the kind of like hairstyle you're looking to do, literally everything. I can spend so long on this app, and they have like also like cute little quotes. So I love Pinterest. And then here I have my photo editors. This is what I use to edit my photos, whether it's for my thumbnails, because I try to make my thumbnails like the same aesthetic, like, you know how like for Instagram you can make sort of like a theme. I try to keep all my pictures when I'm editing my thumbnails also with a theme. Like it's literally as if I was going to post that picture on Instagram, but I'm putting it as my thumbnail, so I'm still editing it kind of like the same. So I use Facetune to kind of like, I'm gonna maybe do like a how I edit my pictures. So if you guys want to see that, give this video a thumbs up and comment down below. What I use for Facetune, I like to make backgrounds more white. If there's like any white areas, I like to brighten them up a little bit. And I also use like the details to kind of like detail, let's say like my eyes, like when I have like mascara on or something, it makes them kind of just like look a little more detailed than you can actually see, because sometimes like you can't really tell, and it makes my eyes look really just like small and I just look super not awake. So I like to use that. And then Visco, I use sometimes, I like kind of like switched actually, but Visco I would usually use for some sort of filter. Like I said, I probably will film that video very soon, so I'm not going to do a little tutorial right now, but yeah, I would use that for some stuff. I actually do like post sometimes on Visco. I'll show you right now. So this is like what I've posted on my Visco. Nothing really crazy. I don't really use it, like, or I keep up with it, I should say. And then the one that I've been using recently is Tezza to edit my photos. So I use that. And then for Pixar, I actually used it to edit one of my thumbnail pictures when I wanted to add something. I used it to like crop it out because it wasn't working on this other app, and it worked, so I've just kept it. And then I have Words with Friends, which is just like a game. It's kind of like Scrabble, like you just make words. And then I have all my YouTube app, which is all like YouTube related. So I have my camera connect. So like, let's say I took pictures on my phone, on my camera, and I just wanted to quickly transfer it to my phone to like edit the picture, not like directly to my computer. I can just use this and it connects, sends the pictures right away. Easy, simple. Then I have YouTube Studio, which I use to like, if I need to like when I put in my thumbnail, because I do it on my phone, I use this and I put it through my phone. Or I can like respond to comments, I look at the analytics, all that stuff. Poshmark I just put under like the YouTube category, because if I'm ever talking about Poshmark on my channel or I'm selling clothes, I'll let you guys know, so I just leave that there. I have Fonto, which is like the main app that I use to edit my thumbnails and put all the text. I have Vaunt, which helped me create like the little intro in the beginning that you guys would have seen. I have iMovie. I don't really use it on my phone, I use it more on my computer. And then this came on the phone, it's called Clips. I don't really know much about it. I just threw that in the YouTube app. Then Starbucks, of course, because I love going to Starbucks. And I use this to get my little rewards stars. And then the YouTube app, and I don't put the YouTube app in the actual YouTube folder because I'm on YouTube constantly, so I just want something quick to like click. I don't have to go in the app, like it's just, I'm just used to it right now in that setup, so I just left it there because it's like something that I use like every day, quick, easy access. And then Mario Kart, because I love playing Mario Kart. They just came out with it recently and it's addicting, so I play that once in a while when I'm not busy. And then I have Blackboard, which is just for like my school when I want to check my, you know, my grades or any assignments that I have upcoming. And then on the bottom you just have like your messages, the iPhone thing, the phone calling thing, and then Safari and Apple Music, which I have Apple Music, I don't use Spotify. And they have like a student like plan for Apple Music. That's the main reason that I got it, so it's not that much money a month. And yeah, that is basically it for the what's on my iPhone. And my background is just light pink. You guys wouldn't see, obviously. I'm going to turn off my screen recording. Oh, also while I'm here, when you want to do like the control center, so you pull down on the right and then you just turn it off. But yeah, that is it for what's on my iPhone. I hope you guys enjoyed. Like I said, if you want to see how I edit my Instagram pictures, then leave me a comment below and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on your post notifications so you don't miss out on any of my other posts. Thank you guys so much for clicking and watching these videos and supporting me. It means so much to me. You guys have no idea, but thank you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video.